First, let's talk about order fulfillment times. The average shipping time in dropshipping varies widely, but studies show it ranges from 7 to 30 days depending on supplier location and shipping method. Faster shipping increases customer satisfaction. Delays can reduce repeat purchases by up to 25%. So supplier selection isn't just a checkbox, it's a crucial KPI for your store. Next up, profit margins. Typical dropshipping margins hover between 10% and 30%. Unlike traditional retail, where bulk purchasing boosts profits, dropshipping often means higher per item costs. To maximize margins, focus on niche products with less competition and higher perceived value. Always factor in platform fees, like Shopify's 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, and ad spend when calculating your true profit. Now let's dissect return rates. Dropshipping return rates average around 15%, higher than traditional e-commerce. Why? Lack of quality control and longer delivery times increase return likelihood. To minimize returns, work with reliable suppliers who provide detailed product descriptions and quality images.